Iran says it's reopening the Strait of Hormuz, at least for now. The move comes during a 10-day ceasefire. About 1/5 of the world's oil and natural gas flows through that narrow stretch of water. With shipping set to resume, markets reacted fast. Oil prices dropped sharply, with Brent crude plunging more than 10% to around $89 a barrel. And stocks moved higher as fears of supply disruptions eased. The strait had been effectively shut following US and Israeli strikes on Iran earlier this year. President Donald Trump welcomed the move, calling Hormuz, quote, open and ready for business. But he said a US naval blockade targeting Iranian oil exports would remain until a broader deal is reached. The announcement also raises hopes for a wider ceasefire between Washington and Tehran, with talks set to expire next week. Trump says both sides are close to an agreement. Iran hasn't confirmed those claims. But the bigger question remains: can this temporary opening turn into lasting peace?